Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how do you fix canonical tag in WIX. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with your WIX website here and it's not appearing in search engines like Google, well in this case, fixing your canonical tags here can actually solve that problem. So what you need to do is you first need to access your editor. So go ahead and open up your website, log in, access your editor here for your website. Now, the left panel, we want to go to your pages menu. And from here, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on the page that you might want to adjust or fix the canonical tag for. For example, we have book online here. Let's go and click on the three-dotted option next to it, and you want to go to settings. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and browse through the tabs available here. What you're looking for is going to be the advanced SEO. Now, from here, you want to go and open up the additional tag section. And from here, you want to go and click on the three-dotted option that you see here on canonical. Let's go and click on edit. Now, we want to go and click on edit default settings. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and click on customize defaults at the right side here. Now, in here, you want to go to canonical. And what you need to do is you just need to revert this to the default value here. So you could go ahead and click on add variable here and just choose page URL, since the canonical value here by default is going to be page URL. Now, if you have something other in mind, you could go ahead and try applying that in here and see if that solves the issue. Now, only thing that you need to remember here is you want to click on save to save your changes, but once you've done that, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.